Hey friends, this is a quick video tutorial on how to use your Zapier account to link PayPal to your project planner. This is also compatible with like if you use Stripe or any other sort of payment processor or anything like Notion or like another type of a project planner software. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have a Zapier account set up. From there, you're basically just going to create a new Zapier will show you how to do that. The next thing you're going to want to do, at least for this, is you're going to want to duplicate the bird's eye view template that I have. So if we go to Trello, it's going to be this template here, and I'll link that in the video description. You're literally just going to hit create board from template, and then deselect these options. I'm using the Enoch Yang workspace because that's just my test workspace. We're going to create this, and it's going to pop up a new board that looks like this. And what you'll see about this board is there's a few different things here, right? And you kind of move cards along as you go. And so this is a new client project that you have, or a new just something that you need to create. This is the main board that you track everything on. So we're going to start by adding a trigger. Triggers are what basically start the automation. So let's say we use PayPal. In this case, we're going to select PayPal, and we'll get everything set up here. The event here is going to be a successful sale. We're going to hit continue, and then we're going to set up your webhook URL. Now, if you use something like Stripe, you're just going to need to add your API, but for PayPal, you need to set up a webhook. This is super easy to do. You're literally just going to click IPN settings here. You're going to hit copy on this, and then you're going to pop that into your IPN settings. So we're going to test the trigger. I don't use PayPal for my specific uses. I use Stripe, so this is going to look a little different. So we have a bunch of test information here, and this is basically information that PayPal is going to send you whenever a new sale is made. It's going to send you the purchaser's address, contact phone number, their name, the item that was bought, etc. So we're going to continue with this record, and the next thing we're going to do is we want to move this data into Trello. So we're going to find Trello here. Make sure that this is linked to your account. The first time you do this, Zapier will ask you to link your Trello account with it. We're going to go ahead and click the add card button. So we're just going to find that's not find. Let's see, create card. There we go. Hit continue. You're going to choose what account you're going to use. Again, hit continue, and we're going to select our board. And so here we have this bird's eye view template. I'm going to call this bird's eye view test this time. So we'll come over here. We're going to find that right there. Let me go ahead and reset real quick just to make sure that things are coming in. And okay, looks like the name didn't change, but it's fine. We'll find it eventually. Just make sure that you rename your board before it happens. The list it's going to go into is going to be the backlog list, because that's where new inquiries come in. And then we're going to call this card something. And what Zapier does is it lets you put in data from the information that it pulled here. So we're going to say something like new order from first name, last name. Awesome. In the description, we're going to put the item names. Here are the item names, and then we're going to say something like client details, and put first name, last name, email, etc. You can put in anything that you need. If we need the address, if you're shipping something out, you can put in the address. So let's search here. I'm just going to put street. Actually, we're going to pop this down right here. And then we're going to do city, state, zip code, country. Awesome. So that should be everything that we need as far as this. You can also peruse through this content here to see if there's anything specific that you need. But this should tell you all the information that you need in order to get your order done. Awesome. We're not going to label anything. We're not going to put any custom labels in. Card position, you can choose bottom or top. I just pop it into the bottom. If this is the only board that you check, you won't need to assign a number to it, but you can if you want. So if I wanted to tag myself on this card, I would do that. Due date, just to get it started, we're just going to say, we're going to open up Zapier's date field. So we're just going to say tomorrow at 5 p.m. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. Yep, awesome. Let's see if we can do time zones as well. Because I think these might be Greenwich Mean Time, but we'll see. We're just going to say tomorrow, let's say 8 p.m. Awesome. No URL attachments. Actually, we might want to do a URL attachment. Let's see if we can find a URL in here. Okay, I don't see a URL to the specific product, so we're going to ignore that. We're not going to do the checklist either. We're just going to hit continue, and then what Zapier will do is it will let you test this card. So let's hit test step. So from here, let's go back to our Trello board and see if it popped in. It looks like it may have popped into my actual template. Yep, right here it says new order from test account. Awesome. So you have that new order from this person's name. Here's the description and everything. What I would do, let me go ahead and move this over to the Bird's Eye View test board so we can move it around. So from here, now you have this order here. You can just click it and see, okay, here are the things that we have. This is the order that we have. You can get everything started with it. And then once you get things started, just pop it into in progress. And once it's in progress, then you can mark this as having been started. And then you can start getting work done on it. Once it's done, you can hit it to review and then mark it on done. So that's a really great way to do this. Let's say we wanted to add more stuff onto here. So let's say we wanted to just create a card in Trello, but also have it notify you. So we're just going to put in, let's see if there's an SMS. There we go. We're going to say send an SMS to me, right? We're just going to set, you know what? Let's create a new account. To the number 206 or 21616. This is my phone number. Please do not text me here. We're going to fill in the code that we got. Continue. Awesome, great. Continue here. So it's going to be from random number. It doesn't really matter. You have a new order from. We're going to do the same thing. Pop in first name, last name. Colon, enter, we're going to say the item names. Or you can even say new order for item names from that. And that's just a quick notification for you. So let's go ahead and test this step. And it should have sent a message. Let me go ahead and check my phone. Yep, right here, as you can see on the window, let me go ahead and maximize this. You see this new order. So that is essentially how to set this up in Zapier. There's a few other things that you can do as well. If you want to send an email notification, we can pop in Gmail. We're going to use the send email function. Hit continue, choose the account. You're going to link whatever account you use for this. I'm just going to use hello at Enoch or Enoch at Enoch Yang. And then same thing for the action. Let's say you wanted to send a confirmation message with next steps. You're going to pop in the email to testaccount@zapier.com. You're going to CC yourself. So I'll CC to Enoch at enoch.com just because that is there. And then you're going to select where it's coming from. From name, Enoch at that management. Reply to, it doesn't really matter here. Thanks for your order. Here's your next steps. Body type plain. Hey, first name. Thanks so much for your order of, and pop in the item names. I'm getting started on this as soon. I'm getting started on this right now. I need a little bit more information from you to finish your order in as quickly as possible. Can you please head to super easy. Now you have this like extra follow-up confirmation email. You don't need a signature. You can just hit continue and that will automatically send it. So basically what we have right now is every time you make a successful sale in PayPal, you will get this card generated in your backlog here. You'll also get a notification texted to you as well as send a follow-up email to your client. That is great because this is literally like an hour's worth of work right here. It means you have to monitor your email. It means you have to continue to go and check in with like the stuff that's happening. You have to send out manual emails to people, etc. So this is a great way to summarize your client intake process. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, at thatmanagement.com, .co. And yeah, hope this is helpful.